my apartment. I need to clean it. It's messy. It doesn't look messy because I'm using an area of, I don't know, I put my camera in an area where it doesn't look as bad as it actually is, but to me, it's bad. And if I move the camera at any little other angle other than this angle, it'll look bad. So today's focus is cleaning this apartment and making it look not like how it does now, and then maybe decorating. By maybe, I mean I would like to decorate because that'll make me want to actually clean.
I'm glad we're together again.
So this is what we're working with today. First of all, obviously it is January. This needs to get the hell out of here. I have a few bins to organize all of my Christmas stuff because again, I don't give up on Christmas when it's January, which obviously is not ideal. I really love the tree though. I'm gonna miss it being in this corner of the room. The good news is that a desk arrived, which means we get to get rid of this ugly desk that we maneuver through and about this apartment because, yeah, it's ugly. The desk that we've been using is my sister's from a way long time ago. Her room is really small, so we couldn't fit it in her room, so we kind of just plopped it in the living room. Since the second I moved into this apartment, I hated this desk in this living room. So in this corner, I will have a desk and it'll look good. So here are the steps today. The first thing we're gonna do is obviously, we're gonna get rid of that. That's gotta leave, it's gotta go. It's January 17th right now, or 18th, one of the Januaries. Then we need to get rid of the desk right here. This will be plopped out, this will all be empty. This drawer needs to be emptied as well. This was from an old dresser. My friend was gonna pick up this drawer because she has the rest of it, but this had a bunch of sentimental stuff in it and I've been avoiding going through it. So today we're gonna go through it finally and then get it empty. As far as the kitchen goes, it's really just kind of cleaning, like this shouldn't be here, you know, simple stuff like that. The kitchen's pretty much okay. There's just simple cleaning things like dishwasher, I turned it on earlier, it needs to be emptied. Alright, so we're getting progress. This thing is getting very filled with a bunch of ornaments. I'm gonna find a little box for these guys to put in here so they're not just like stray. And then for all of these more bulb ones, I already have sort of bins where I can use those and then just kind of make sure that they don't break too, so that'll be fun. My desk arrived, but I gotta figure out how to bring it up all of those stairs by myself, so we'll see how that goes. Success. Oh, I'm exhausted. The tree is gone, by the way. It is completely empty over there. I am already tired. I still have a lot that I want to do though. I actually have the desk that I've been talking about. It's in the box over there. I'm gonna build that. But I think the first thing that I should do is empty out this drawer in the middle of my living room because that looks really ghetto. Ladies and gentlemen, here we are, the ugliest drawer in the world. I have so much crap in here. Some things are sentimental, like this camera was the first camera I ever made videos on when I was about 10, 11 years old. So this is something I'm gonna keep.
up in paradise, I suppose. If you will tell me I'm the only one that you love, life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. Life could be a dream. If I could take you up in paradise, I suppose. If you will tell me I'm the only one that you love, life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. Hello, we'll meet again.
Alright, I got everything in there and I am feeling super productive today. I'm feeling really great because I got a lot of things that I've been wanting to get done that I've been procrastinating for a long time. So now it's time to build my thing, put it in the corner, make it look a lot better. Done vacuuming. Now to build the desk. Alright, it is up. I'm not sure how I'm supposed to position it. I think if it's facing this way, it looks a little bit weird, but then this way it kind of looks weird too. I might have it like crossing the actual corner there and make it look a little bit better, but so far, we're getting somewhere. Alright, so I have finished what I wanted to finish. I think now I'm gonna go to some stores and maybe pick up a chair. I think before I leave though, I'm gonna get some like cleaning done. So anything that needs to be wiped down, I'm gonna get that done now. Just to make sure that I'm not, you know, leaving and then coming back and things are still sort of dirty and then giving up. So we're gonna kind of do some little cleaning. I think my kitchen is gonna be the main focus. And then once everything is pretty clean, I'm going to go to, I think, Goodwill, and then I think maybe a few other stores around that. The kitchen is clean. I just got the sink pretty much emptied and that is all done. And then I got the counters all nice and organized and just everything has been put away. I have cups now. I have silverware now. It's a good time. I went to the store, I got back, I could not find a chair for this desk. I think we're fine though. I think that I'm going to just continue with this journey and just order a chair online when I find the right chair that isn't like $1 million. So that's what I'm gonna do. I do think I'm gonna end the video here though. If you guys enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up. I have all of my social media links linked down below if you are curious and want to follow me on different things. Instagram is your best bet, by the way, if you want to follow me on anything. That's where I'm the most active. But that is it.